Welcome to this video on pumped storage hydropower, where the world is building giant water batteries to store energy. The system utilizes two reservoirs situated at different elevations. This difference in height is what allows gravity to hold the potential energy. When grid demand drops, usually at night, the system pumps water uphill to the upper reservoir. This is how the system stores energy. When grid demand rises, the water flows back down through the penstock. The turbines at the bottom generate electricity as the water flows. This system can also use to store solar energy generated during daytime. Since renewable energy naturally fluctuates, pumped storage is essential for balancing the grid. This system effectively stabilizes the power supply. Pumped storage hydropower is highly efficient. The cycle retains high energy, achieving 75% to 80% efficiency with very little power loss. Systems can be open loop, connecting to a river and using natural flow, or closed loop, which isolates the water to protect natural ecosystems. Pumped storage dominates the market, providing over 90% of global long-duration storage. It accounts for 88% of utility-scale storage in the United States in 2024. As water moves, the grid stabilizes, providing the world with reliable power.